Hi everyone, if you want to keep certain apps private on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, Samsung's built-in Hide Apps feature makes it quick and easy. This method hides apps from both the home screen and the app screen without uninstalling them. The apps will continue to work normally, and you'll still receive notifications unless you disable them separately. Opening the Settings app, scroll down and tap Home Screen to access your launcher settings. Inside the home screen menu, scroll until you find Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Then tap it. You'll now see a complete list of the apps installed on your phone. Browse through the list and tap each app you want to hide. As you select apps, they will automatically appear in the Hidden Apps section at the top of the screen, letting you review your selections before saving. Once you've chosen all the apps you want to hide, tap Done. The selected apps will immediately disappear from both the home screen and the apps screen. Keep in mind that hiding an app does not delete it or stop it from functioning. The app remains installed, continues to receive updates, and can still send notifications. If someone searches for the app in certain system settings, it may still be visible. If you ever want to make a hidden app visible again, simply return to Settings at Home Screen. Hide apps on home and app screens. In the Hidden Apps section, tap the minus icon next to the app you want to restore, then tap Done. The app will instantly reappear in your app screen and can be added back to your home screen if needed. This is the easiest way to hide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G using the built-in settings. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech guides.